and then I'm going to test it. So it is defect 43. So defect is focus navigates onto the same component multiple times. So here is it's impacting on the iOS device and pages affected for the 8, 9, 10, 18 and 23. So there is a two team from the onboarding team and from servicing team. So in servicing, there are only two features, ISA and rent interest summary. So this is regarding the onboarding team.
But how can you do it? How can you retest it from the app side? You have to DDA side only. You can do it, right? This focus is for the DDA testing. So how can you do functional testing from the mobile side or from the C test side? You have to go to physical device. Then only you have to do. Otherwise, how you find this is a defect is fixed or not?
Uh, that's why we are going. We will going to the Holy because in our we don't have physical device at and from the vendor side. So yeah, when we test the any defect and yeah, I'm saying that the defect of was fixed. Then me and Alicia going to the Holy, and after that Holy will going to test that defect on physical. If
This
we
defect
confirm the
board looks
defect was
different,
fixed.
Manik, and I just want to know how to raise this defect. Do we have the access to raise this defect? Can you just to go to the Confluence and show me open this defect and show me?
Yeah, there is a one conference. Yes, we'll show you that conference link.
Akshata, Shraddha,
There is.
Shraddha, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's do the thing step by step. Okay. And Akshata, please wait. Actually, first you have to clear yourself what functional testing Shraddha is doing for that DDA issue. Okay. That is first we have to clear. So that we have to understand by an example of a DDA defect. So let's say this is a DDA defect which Shraddha is sharing.
Yeah.
In her screen. Okay. Now by that particular DDA defect, are you able to understand which particular journey you have to functional test or what exactly you have to verify? It's a DDA defect, so we all know Holy's team have to do it, the exact DDA testing. But from our as a functional testing side, what exactly we are testing on those pages?
No, Manik. Finally, it will come to me and they'll ask me to go to office and test from the DDA side only. Last time also it happened same. So what I understood, I had to just to follow the step. That focus means in the DDA.
No. That is not the way. No. Wait. Akshata, that is something again. If you have been asked to do something, then you have clear guidelines exactly what you have to do. But here, let's put yourself in place of Shraddha.
Okay.
Okay. And just understand, you are just a functional tester, and Holy is a DDA tester. Holy will test the issue from the DDA perspective, right? And Shraddha will test it from the functional perspective. Now, based on this particular DDA defect example, I would like from you, Shraddha, to know what exactly is the first thing you test as a functional tester for that DDA defect.
Yeah.
Firstly, for example, there is a one defect raised from the DDA team, defect 43. So firstly, I replicate that defect on C test device. Is it replicated or not? I just check if defect was replicated as DDA team share that defect. If it's replicated, then we're going to the Alicia or PM to it's the defect. And after that, Alicia will creating the Jira ticket for that, and PO teams assigned to that defect to the developer. When developer that fixes the defect, then she added some comment or reach out to me so that this defect is done. Could you please do the testing? After that, I'm doing the testing. And after testing, if defect fixed, then I will going to Alicia and Holy to test that defect on physical device, actual device, and I'm sharing the all evidences on that Jira ticket. There is a one conference page for the servicing Jira, DDA team Jira, and MCUI found team Jira. because whole means there is another team, MCA UI side team. They also supporting to the servicing DDA defects. For some
Shraddha,
components.
instead of giving this process wise, right? Can you just go to the actual defect? We just want to know the actual defect, and we'll go through that defect one by one, step by step. I mean.
Yeah, I'm just showing you. So here is in transfer journey, page 18.
No, I want to see the summary of the defect.
On this page. Yeah, so this is the defect 43. So here is the what happened.
1 minute. A focus navigates on to the same component multiple. Okay.
Component multiple times in
Okay.
iOS.
In iOS. Okay.
So it affected for the 5 pages. So yeah, I know you are difficult to find out the page number, but yeah.
But how do you
there
going to
is the
test
iPad
functional
journey
testing
page.
from your side without physical device?
Oh, wait, Akshata, there is some more things I have to understand. We have to understand that thing. So,
Yes.
okay. So, I think we are echoing actually. Shraddha, can you mute somewhere else? I think we are echoing. I'm echoing actually. Yeah, that's fine now. Yeah. So, you are saying, Shraddha, means what I understand and listen and I have heard you saying that once the issue comes from ability net team to you, you also verify it whether that's an issue or not. Correct?
Yes.
So that means you need to have a DDA enabled device or associated in a device to also reproduce that issue from your side.
Yes. So I have the CPS access. In that, I have the access for the DA devices.
Okay. So that is one thing, Akshata, you have to.
DA devices.
No, Manik, we will
Right.
never get that access. I know I'll be asked to do physically from the office because it has been asked, and we have some whitelisting issue on the red network. That's the reason it has been pending. So once that request is done, they'll ask me to do from the physical side, from how whole is doing.
Okay, but Shraddha is doing, I think, see, if Shraddha can do, then you can also do, right?
No, she has some other access.
No, for a CTS device.
Yes.
Might be on CTS device there is no whitelisted link or some of that's why.
What kind of whitelisting? I'm not able to understand that whitelisting.
Because whitelisting on the red networks, because if here we are using Barclays network, some other network for the CTS devices. For the physical devices, we have red network that has to be whitelisted. That's the reason.
Yeah, exactly. That's for physical device. So the point not here is about the device.
Got your point, Mani.
Right?
Because for that dashboard, I don't have the access. It is only few people.
Right. That is the issue. So we have to sort it out. Okay, because you sometimes not able to go to office, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So the testing cannot be stopped at that time. And if Shraddha can get the access, you should be able to also get the access. Now, one thing which we have to do is, Shraddha, do you have any requests you have raised to get that project access, which you are now accessing for accessibility testing?
Yes. I can. I will check and get back to Radhika. For
Yeah,
that CTS request and DDA access request.
Who's Radhika?
Yeah. I think I think Akshata is, she might be saying Akshata.
Sorry, I'm Akshata. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
I just
that's
taking
fine.
down all the point of contact. That's the reason I asked. Okay.
Yeah. So that is one
Yes,
thing,
yes,
one
yes.
action item which we have to figure gap. Like we have to get the access of the CTS devices which are accessibility enabled or the project. Okay, so that's now clear. Moving to the second point is about, so here we can see as per the ability net testing team, they have mentioned the pages affected 8, 9, 10, 18, 23. Now, how can we understand, Shraddha, that which pages are 8, 9, 10 and 18, 23?
Yeah, that's the difficult. As earlier, I'm also not able to understand. But yeah, No need to understand the page wise. You can see the page. For example, page 18. 18. Yeah. I don't know why DDA team to give the page number for each page.
It is
Am I
here.
audible?
Yeah, it is here, page number 18, I think below one.
Yeah, actually, this is the network issue. Yeah, this is the page 9. Yeah, you will understand. जैसे आप करते जाओगे.
Can you share me this document also, please?
Yes. I'm not sharing you.
No, this hasn't been shared.
Earlier?
No.
Okay. Yeah. So for the transfer details, second page. This is the page number 18.
Yep.
This screen. Let me check my network. Radha? Please give me 5 minutes. Actually, I'm facing the network issue.
Okay, fine.
Join
Yeah.
mobile hotspot.
No problem.
Give me a
No
minute.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, no
Shraddha.
problem.